depend on rainforests for absorbing carbon. But now you can see the rainforests in Queensland, Australia, is for the first time shown a flipping behavior where they release carbon instead of absorbing them. Now you'll say why they are doing it, correct? You'll say that why they are doing this type of thing. They are doing this type of activities or this type of phenomena, rather, I will say, because look, due to the climate change, more trees are dying from extreme heat, drought, and cyclones because their frequency, their magnitude has increased a lot compared to the before the last 10 years. The average temperature worldwide is much less compared to that we have nowadays. Also, the frequency of drought events or frequency of cyclones has increased manifold compared to their frequency before the last 10 years. So, as a result, what happens? More trees were destroyed than new ones are grown.